Most AI tools sit there waiting for instructions. This one is sitting in your business and thinking with you. Hey guys, my name is Dian and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Genstore and why it is so critical for your business. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm now on the official website of Genstore. So please make sure that you go to genstore.ai. I only want to make sure that you go to the official website and not any other. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is how the dashboard will present itself. It's clean, easy, and simple to use. So on the left here, you will have your store, and mine is Digital Pulse. So that is my account or my store. Then I have my store right there as well, where you can customize it, you can view it. We have dropshipping, we have marketing, sales channels, and then all of the analytics. And recently, I've noticed that Genstore have gotten some major updates. So these updates actually are great because it doesn't feel like an AI tool that you use anymore. And now feels like this is a whole system that is working with you on your store. So instead of you just logging into a website and using an AI tool, this feels like a system that will work with you and adapt as you adjust your store. Okay guys, so you might be asking, so what will Genstore actually build for you? So first of all, you will obviously start out with either a story, an idea, or a product. And that is where Genstore comes in, because it will help you bring that idea, story, or product to life. And it will actually help you build a store. So as we can see right here, I can go to this store and then I can go right here and say preview. So this is the one I did a while ago. It's easy and simple, and it will set you up with all of the things like in homepage. So you can see there we have our product page, we have a contact us page. We have so many different things that it will set up automatically for us. You don't have to do a single thing. So Genstore will build all of this out for you, like the page, the layout, and all of the technical stuff. Genstore will take care of. Hey guys, so there's no setup paralysis. You don't have to go and pick themes, and there's no wiring tools together to build all of this. That is where Genstore comes in, because it will take care of all of that, like the structure, the pages, the layouts, and all of that, as I mentioned before. Hey guys, so I'm now going to go back to the main page, and there will be an AI assistant or an agent. And this agent will actually give you the analytics of what is currently happening in your store, and it will explain it to you in simple English. So it will basically take all of the information and what's happening on your website, and it will break it down into simple language. Okay guys, so they have a support agent for merchants. So basically what the agent will do is it will take the analytics from your store and simplify that into simple English or a simple language, so it can actually explain what is happening. So there's no complicated terms that you have to go and learn, like CTR and CPM, all of that stuff. It will break it down into simple language so you can actually understand it as a beginner. And the great thing about this is, because if I go onto my store and I say view, you can actually ask it questions about the store. So you can ask it where buyers lose interest, what is wrong with my store, where do I lose the most engagement, where do I get the most engagement, why am I losing out on sales? So instead of reading off a dashboard like this, you will now be able to ask questions about the analytics and not having to come to a dashboard and go through all of these boring signs that you don't really understand. And the great thing about this is that you're not managing software, you're actually having a conversation with an AI agent that understands your store and will tell you exactly how it works and why certain aspects of your store is failing. This will also remove decision fatigue as well as manual work. So you can now sit back and actually let your AI agent do all of the work. If you want an AI that actually helps you think throughout your business while it runs, go check out genstore.io and join their Discord for extra credits. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until the next one, cheers.